Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Most important 50 question. First question: who was the first administration statesman to attempt planning as a means for economic development? Right answer option B, M. Visvesvaraya. An economy is at the take-off stage on its path to development when it. Answer option B, begins steady growth. Which of the following is the basic characteristic of oligopoly? Right answer option B, a few sellers, many buyers. The aim of which of the 5-year plans was to correct the disequilibrium in the economy? Right answer option A, first 5-year plan. Which of the following 5-year plans recognized human development as the core of all developmental efforts? Answer option A, 8 5-year plan. Which of the following plans aimed at improving the standard of living? Right answer option B, 4th plan. At which of the following place was the mining of coal started in 1774? Answer option D, Raniganj. In which of the following years were the coking coals and non-coking coal mines in India nationalized? Answer option B, 1972 and 1973 respectively. Which Indian state has the largest number of cotton textile mills? Answer option B, Maharashtra. Minor ports like Kakinada, Machilipatnam, Bhimunipatnam and Krishnapatnam are in which of the following states? Answer option B, Andhra Pradesh. When for the first time did the Prime Minister of India announce the 20-point economic program? Answer option C, 1975. Which of the following plans aimed at the removal of poverty and attainment of self-reliance? Answer option D, 5th plan. Census in India is being held regularly after every 10 years. People belonging to what age group are eligible for training under TRISEM scheme? Right answer option A, 18 to 35. According to the census in 2001, which city in India has the largest population? Right answer option B, Mumbai. In terms of geographical area, India occupies what position in the world? Right answer option A, 5. India does not share its boundary with which of the following countries? Right answer option B, Taiwan. Agriculture employs almost what percent of the Indian population? Right answer option D, 70. Which one of the following is a kharif crop? Answer option A, Bajra. Which one of the following is a rabi crop? Answer peas. Who is known as the father of white revolution? Right answer option A, V. Curie. Who was the chief architect of green revolution that significantly improved the agricultural yield in the country? Answer option A, M.S. Swaminathan. The Chota Nagpur plateau, famous for its minerals deposit, is in? Right answer option B, Jharkhand. The Mumbai Stock Exchange was set up in? Answer 1875. What does the term NSDL stands for? Answer National Securities Depository Limited. Which one of the following was launched with the objective of helping the poor in rural areas to become self-employed? Answer TRISEM. In Indian economy, the principal means of transportation is answer railways. Which of the following organization looks after the credit needs of agriculture and rural development in India? Answer NABARD. Which of the following estimates the national income in India? Answer Central Statistical Organization. In India, which of the following taxes is levied by the state governments? Answer excise duty on liquor. Which industry employs the largest number of women in India? Answer tea. Which of the following is not a cash crop? Answer jowar. An economy is at the take-off stage on its path to development when it answer begins steady growth. Which among the following treaties provided for a common currency for the member countries of European Community? Answer Maastricht Treaty. SEBI stands for answer Securities and Exchange Board of India. With which of the following lies the basic regulatory authority for mutual funds and stock markets? Answer SEBI. With which aspect of commerce are bulls and bears associated? Answer stock exchange market. Which of the following is the basic characteristic of oligopoly? Answer a few sellers, many buyers. A state financial corporation give assistance mainly to develop. Answer a small and medium scale industries. In which of the following fields was the first cooperative movement in India initiated? Answer agricultural credit. Which of the following taxes is a progressive tax? Answer income tax. In which year was the policy of population planning adopted by the Government of India? Answer 1952. Which of the following taxes are levied by the Union and collected and appropriated by the states? Answer estate duty. The terms trips and trims are related to? Answer GATT. In which year was the new liberalized industrial policy announced in India? Answer 1991. During which 5-year plan was the annual growth rate of national income the lowest? Answer third plan. Chelia Committee of 1992 deals with the overhauling of our? Answer tax system. Economic planning is an essential feature of? Answer socialist economy. Which among the following is an essential characteristic of mixed economy? Answer coexistence of private and public sectors. What is the value of goods and services produced in a country within a year called? Answer gross national product at market price. Friends, thank you for watching this video.